We in the kitchen again. I got some tea here, herbal tea. And I got a slice of sweet potato pie. Everybody loves pie. And guess what? Chopsticks. You heard it. And we're about to dig in. You know how we like it. We like it hot. Mm-hmm. Oh, this is good. Real good. I had some leftover shrimp from the other day. I put it in the oven, warmed it up. And it's perfect for a pasta dish such as this. Okay? Y'all ain't think I had no chopstick skills, huh? I got some. That's pretty good. One day, I'm gonna make some. I said I was gonna make some chicken parmesan, but I just never got around to it. So busy doing other stuff. It's pretty good though. It's real good. Take a look at that. How it's done is, it's an easy method to hold these chopsticks. Okay, you have these two fingers, index and the middle finger. Then you hold it between the thumb, and this is a ring finger, but it's not the ring finger. You understand what I'm saying? And you hold it like that. And just with a slight movement, you can bring them together. See that? And that's how it's done. And, you know, if you watch the Chinese people or the Japanese or anybody of that, you know, nationality that know how to use these, first they line them up. That way they can grab them like they need to. And then they can manipulate one of them so that it's touching the other, you know, like that. And once you set all that up, then you can pretty much pick up anything. You can pick up a piece of shrimp. You see how I use that one? Or you can pick up some noodles. And this is real good. This is just a simple meal people made with some leftovers. And it's delicious. Who don't like ramen noodles? Now, if you notice, I discarded that little pack because it's full of sodium. I didn't use any salt. But I added some seasonings to it. And I used pure butter. That was about 2 tablespoons of butter. Chefs, it's a new year. It is officially 2020. And you know, everybody's trying to get their New Year's resolutions in. People are signing up for the gym. It may only last a month or two, but that's okay. It's the motivation and the thought behind it that you want to make a change in your life as well as your health. And that's a good thing. It ain't never too late, people, to get that healthy. Try this tea out. This is some good herbal tea. I'm about to get into this tea. Like I said, it don't taste all that good. But it's good for the body. Remember, line it up, grab it, and manipulate it. See? Just like that. Now you know a meal is not complete without dessert. And I just happen to have a leftover piece of sweet potato pie. It was good. It's sitting in the refrigerator, but it's still, look. And this is made with baked sweet potatoes. This ain't made with canned sweet potatoes, people. You know, I know that I do simple, easy, and affordable meals here. But baked sweet potatoes is not expensive. Fresh sweet potatoes is not that expensive. So you can make your sweet potatoes fresh. Well, shells, once again, Happy New Year's. I enjoyed this dish as well as my dessert and my tea. I hope you are somewhere eating you a delicious meal as well. Thank you for tuning in to We in the Kitchen again. Make sure you leave a comment below to let us know what you're thinking. Aight? What you want to say to them, baby?
Don't forget to like, subscribe,
and leave a comment below so we know what you're thinking. Aight?